Hello everyone and welcome back to Pullback Indicators. Markets have already closed and let's check out the performance for today, 1st of April. To use this indicator, you need to have an account with tradingview.com. You can use it on your smartphone and also access from your desktop browser. To use TradingView, there is no extra cost. Before I start this video, I would like to say that we have made some changes on our strategy. Earlier we used Heikin-Ashi candles, but from now on we are going to use general candlestick patterns. The time frame for index will remain 5 minutes. A lot of people used to ask me that why we use Heikin-Ashi candles. We used Heikin-Ashi candles because it has a smoother appearance. But from now on we are going to use general candles. Let us understand the strategy first. Whenever we get a buy or sell signal, we will not enter into the trade immediately but wait for our confirmation of the next candle. Our confirmation candle will be for buy signal. The closing price of the next candle has to be higher than the closing price of the signal candle, and for a sell signal, the closing price of the next candle has to be lesser than the closing price of the signal candle. And stop loss for sell, the previous candle high of signal candle, and for buy, the previous candle low. Also we will add some buffer points to the stop loss. We will avoid any signals after 2 p.m. and when we make profit in the first signal, then you have to avoid all remaining signals for the day. The logic behind this is we have to hold on to the profits, right? This is a 5-minute Nifty chart. Whenever we trade on index, we use 5-minute time frame. Today we got a buy signal here on the first 9:15 candle. The next candle has also given us the confirmation, and you can see the entire day Nifty was in uptrend. Next, Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also we got a buy signal on 9:15 candle. The fourth candle has given us the confirmation, and you can see the entire day Bank Nifty was also in uptrend. If you trade in options, then you can enter into the trade on the basis of futures. When next candle gives you confirmation, you can buy at the money call or puts with a stop loss of 20 to 25% and keep a target of 50%. This is a BPL chart. Earlier when we used Heikin-Ashi candles, our time frame was 3 minutes. From now on, since we are using general candlesticks, for stocks also we will use 5-minute time frame. BPCL, we got a buy signal here in the morning, and the next candle has also given us the confirmation, and you can see there was a very big move in BPCL. This is a Reliance chart. Reliance, you can see we got a buy signal in the morning, but no trade happened here. Again we got a sell signal, again there was no trade, and after that again we got a buy signal, but again no trade. So Reliance was very tricky today. This is M&M. M&M, we got a buy signal here, and this candle has given us the confirmation, and M&M also there was a very big uptrend. Then we have JSW. JSW, we got a sell signal here, and this candle has given us the confirmation, and JSW also we made a small profit. This is Sun Pharma. In Sun Pharma we got a buy signal here in the morning, and then unfortunately our stop loss got triggered. Again we got a sell signal. The next candle has also given us the confirmation, and we managed to recover our loss and exit with some profit. This is Power Grid. We did not get any signal on Power Grid today. This is Grasim. Grasim, we got a sell signal here in the morning, but unfortunately our stop loss got triggered. After that we did get a buy signal, but no trade happened on Grasim. Then IOC, we got a buy signal here in the IOC. The next candle has also given us the confirmation, and the entire day IOC was in uptrend mode. This is Kotak Bank. In Kotak Bank also we got a buy signal here, and this candle has given us a confirmation, and we made a very small profit in Kotak Bank. Let us see one more last stock. This is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank also we got a buy signal here in the morning. The next candle has also given us the confirmation, and HDFC Bank was in uptrend for the entire day. One more thing I want to add, from next week Monday onwards we will not be uploading any kind of daily performance videos, because we are coming up with new videos and new strategies. So what we will do, on every Friday or Saturday we will upload a weekly performance of our indicator for Nifty, Bank Nifty and all Nifty 50 stocks. That was all for today. If you do intraday, swing, positional trading, then this indicator is for you. With the help of this trading indicator, you can trade in equity, Nifty, Bank Nifty and commodities, Forex, crypto, whatever you can name. If you have any queries regarding the indicator, then you can send me a message on my WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope all of you had a very profitable day today. Happy trading.